Alright, where the heck did she go? There she is. Hope I've got her in the view. There she is. This is exactly why I open my boxes and check after the queen is hatched. I want to see her before I come back 10 days later to see if she's laying. If you will notice, the wing that is on the top side, her left side, as you're looking at her from the back or the front, is deformed. She will never ever get out and get mated. So she will become a drone layer. That's exactly why I do this. I do not want a drone laying queen. Now in the summer I'd let her live because you need drones in the summer to make queens. But right now in mid-May, 12th of May, I do not need a drone layer. There's 9 billion drones. So that's your quick tip if you're going to make queens and you know one day they're going to hatch. I go in 2 days later and check. She's got a deformed wing. We will be disposing of this young lady and hoping I've got another cell in one of these cell starters. It's a quick tip of the day. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Willie Bees.